So today we're going to prune and try and restore this really old rose bush. So it's not looking great, it's been rather neglected, so we're going to give it a trim and see what we can do. So when pruning a rose bush, we want to think of the 3 Ds. So dead, diseased or damaged. So first of all, I'm going to remove this whole stem because it's dead. And this one too. One above it, dead. And then this one in here is also dead. And then this little one here, that's dead. We've also got a big one at the back here. Not sure these clips are going to get through this one. I'm going to just take the top off. As we can see, that's all dead. That's not going to do much. And then all brown. This one's died. This one's all brown. That one's brown from there. This one is dead from the top and it's damaged. There's a bud coming out here. I'm just going to cut off the top there. This one, it's had buds. There's a little flower coming out here. This is all dead. So I'm just going to cut off this top bit. This dead one. That one. That one. I'm just going to remove the top stem as they've already flowered. This one has just flowered. I'm just going to go through, going to cut that one down to the next bud, that one to the next bud. That one is died. I'm just going to go through, cutting back to the next healthy leaf. So we're already looking good. Next one there. So just going through, I'm going to go down to that bud, starting to burst open. Some dead bits in here. There we go. So already we're looking good. I'm going to go down, can't really see a bud on this one, so I'm going to cut it down to there. This one, well, this has got we've got some creeping plant up there. I'm going to cut that one back to the new growth. Cut off that. There we go. This one, take off the bud. So we're looking good already. That one's crossing. That's a weed. So there we go. I'm going to take off the top ones of these. These are flowered. We could go down to the first set of leaves and snip. There we go. So we come around this side and a lot of this is died off. That one's pretty much dead, but I can't get my things through there. This one's pretty much gone. And all this, it's all died. There's a little bit of growth there. Just going to leave that on there. This one's got nothing on. This one's completely nothing. And then over here, this whole stem with nothing. You can just tell it's just nothing there. Nothing to offer. And this one too. I'm not sure I'm going to get my snip through here. This one and this one. So we're looking quite good now. See a brown one through here, and that's a brown one there. You can just see that. So I think that's going to be, this one's damaged. This one's crossing, cut by a bud. Remove the buds. Remove the pods. There we go. Going to move that down to a bud. Move that down to 5 leaves. We've got one here. Down to the next. This leaf here. I don't think it's doing the stem, it's not doing too much. I'm going to cut that one right back. Give it some space. That's a new one. You can see it's red. So it's a case of going all around the plant, looking at it. Going to go around the back. Come around the back. I can see there's another rose that's come up, maybe from the runners, but that's all brown. I'm going to remove that. This one in here is dead, and some more here. I'm going to take that one. No greenery on that whatsoever. Well, there was one. Take away these buds down to the next. This one I'm going to take down to there. This one right back, nothing on it. Didn't see that one there. So there we go. I think we're not far though. Just keep looking. Some new growth there. Some buds, some flowers that has grown up here. Just going different angles, see different things. We look forward to having some nice new buds appear on there shortly. There we go. I think that's about right. some bindweed going around it here. We need to get rid of that. We won't want to compete with bindweed. But for an allotment rose plant, we'll give it another go and see what happens. So this is our rose plant after our prune. It's got a few spots on the leaves, but it's going to benefit a whole lot better. We took off the old branches, dead ones, and a few in the bucket of the old rose hips. We don't want it growing hips, we want it to grow flowers. And we got one little bud coming out here nicely, and we got one flower still on the plant, and this smells absolutely gorgeous. So if I can restore that, we're going to be doing well. So thanks for watching. Come back and see how our rose plant's doing and we'll give you an update. Cheers!